Where we have got an abundance of jobs is
as a people, we want to welcome the president to visit. We don't take it for granted that he's chosen to come to game and spend more time here and pray with us together. I believe from what I've gathered, the ground is ecstatic. Gamians are waiting on a number of things that the president will pronounce himself.
His Excellency the President will be making a 4-day tour of Nyanza. We have got several projects down the line. In this region, he will launch this digital laboratory. From there, he will go and commission Bondoliunda Road. Before then, there is a major fish training institute in Nyando, okay, called Kabonyo Fish Training Institute, which is being built at a whopping 3 billion shillings. His Excellency the President will be coming there to commission it. From there, there's a road in Koru. Yeah? He's going to commission that as well. Then we move to Game. We are going to have him launch another digital laboratory at Mutumbu, then a Thanksgiving service.